Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo, more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? So, some market updates, and I'll be talking about the new Oyl Wallet and the Airheads Ordinal project by Arthur Hayes. But let's get into it. First of all, Bitcoin looking like dog do, sitting at 6,700. Now, what I will say, based on the 4-line EMA, 52 is still on the table, okay? I'm not saying sell. I'm just saying don't get squeezed out. Honestly, like I said, if this thing is going to run, we just need to stay above that 52K mark. And, you know, we can see here in the first before the double top that we touched on the long EMA. But, you know, as long as it continues, again, you know, we have to look towards the fall and winter for Bitcoin. Hopefully we don't have a crypto winter, but you know, again, I'm still confident. I'm still having the conviction that the bull run will just be crazy bananas April to October 2025. But in the short term, we could see some drawdowns. Now, I know a lot of people are asking that question, you know, how can there be such huge inflows into the ETFs, the Bitcoin ETFs, and the price still goes down? Well, the answer is they already had the coins. They already had the coins. But what you have to remember with the 401k, the money keeps coming in automatically every week. At some point, their coins are going to dry up. At some point, the OTC coins are going to dry up, and that's when we'll see the parabolic action. But again, my thought, I don't have any proof of it, but obviously they were mining and accumulating when Bitcoin was cheap, and all they're doing is selling to the existing customers as the money inflows. And, you know, actually they're booking a huge profit on that. And then also we had some minor capitulation. With that being said, the greater, broader markets of the economy, the Fed has waited too long to cut the rates. It's caused stagflation, you know, where the people that are in their homes at low interest rates are going to stay. There's only cash buyers. And just in general, you know, they're going to have to print. You know, they're predicting the 0.25 cut for September, but it could be more aggressive, and maybe half a point is on the table. But that's my thoughts on the market right now. I'm still not selling anything. I'm just holding spot. Again, you know, if it's coming, it's coming. If not, you know, whatever. I'm not going to try to outtrade this. You know, I have exposure to Ordinals, some NFT gaming, AI, some, you know, L2s, some L1s, Bitcoin, you know, I basically have exposure in all markets, and what I can tell you is everything is down. And talking about all markets, Rune's just absolutely getting destroyed. We're just not seeing we're not seeing any volume. I know there's a lot of FUD about Runes, but I think Runes will get some shine back once Bitcoin starts to run again. People are just getting tight with their money and consolidating back to BTC. But like I said, the big thing is just no volume. As far as BRC20s, I still got my sats. That's my primary hold on BRC20 side. And actually that's a good situation because I'll talk about that later with the Airheads project, that the sats are actually going to come in useful. Moving on, Elephant Money looking really good, back to 54 cents. Solend pools are back open. We had that, you know, there was a lot of FUD going on. This is right before Nashville. There basically was a big liquidation event on Solend where a whale dumped. It caused a bunch of liquidations, but I guess the pools have been reopened and only whitelisted wallets can cause liquidations. So I know the pools have been improved on the relaunch, but Trunk back to 54 cents, not doing bad. I still got my spot bag. Me personally, I'm not in the Solend pools. I'm more of a spot guy. That's just how I roll, but the Solend pools are back open. So now, what are we talking about? Airheads, the title of the video. Is your wallet fat enough? So Arthur Hayes launching an Ordinal project. This is on Bitcoin, and these are called fatheads. So the premise is that your wallet is too fat, and you don't want to be fat shamed for being rich. So this is an interesting project. Arthur is definitely beloved in the crypto space, total OG. But what they're doing is they're tying this project into the Oyl Wallet. So I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. But the Oyl Wallet is a new Bitcoin wallet, and basically the Airheads will be minted within this new wallet. While I was in Bitcoin Nashville, I stopped by the Airhead stand. It was pretty funny. This is just a plugin on Chrome. Now, as always, this is a newer wallet. It's been around. It was beta for a while. There's always risk with the new wallet. Unisat's been around, but keep that accordingly. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. But the cool thing about this wallet is it aggregates marketplaces for BRC20s and runes. So it's a very cool. So it basically helps you find the best deal. So why is the wallet important in relation to the Airhead project? Well, there's going to be a whitelist for this, okay? And you can get on the whitelist by simply having a fat wallet. So you get XP for having assets in your Oyl wallet, and that gives you a chance to move up the leaderboard and get a whitelist. How much is the initial mint going to be? I'm not 100% sure, but so these are the eligible assets. Now I've looked around and I haven't seen this XP board yet, so I don't know. I started moving some assets there. Now, if you don't feel comfortable putting all your eggs into the wallet, there's going to be a whale pass. I think it is 0.069. Yeah, so let's see here. This project just totally cracks me up. Yeah, I think it's going to be like 0.069. So that is going to be about 4 or 5 grand. So the question you have to ask is, do you want guaranteed, or are you going to buy on secondary? Now, with that being said, the breadth, the market right now it's PvP, and people are flipping, but I think long term this should be pretty sweet. This should be a pretty cool project. So I'm doing my best to get into it. And they're also doing a whitelist. I think they announced for people that want to basically contribute to the project. So it's going to be pretty sweet. So at the bottom of this, I'll leave the link. Follow Airheads, follow Arthur, and follow Oyl Wallet. And on that note, they have, quote, the intern running this project, and I guess they're tracking comments and how much you interact with this. So they're basically accumulating this. So I'd stay active with it, to increase your chances of getting a whitelist, and maybe you will. So again, Airheads, Arthur Hayes, pretty cool project. So with that being said, that's about it. Like I said, 52, in my opinion, is still 52 to 56 is still on the table. You just can't freak out. Look at this run where basically if you sold down here, you lost out on huge gains, a 2x from there. Now this third parabolic action is looking similar to this top, but we will see how it works out. With that being said, like, subscribe, and as always, this is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.
Now.